Did you know my son eat free buffet just because it's his birthday? Bring a full paying guest and your birthday celebrant eats free buffet. Just like my son today. Some celebrations deserve more than just one dish. So we celebrated my son's 22nd birthday here at Food Club Fisher Mall. And let me tell you, their eat-all-you-can buffet dinner is truly worth it. Imagine this. More than 100 delicious dishes waiting for you. From crowd favorites, comfort foods, Asian and Western dishes, hanggang sa desserts na mapapabuntong hininga ka sa sarap. Sulit na sulit kumain dito kasi lahat may choice. Walang bitin, walang regrets, puro busog at saya. Perfect siya for family celebrations like birthday. Kasi habang masaya ang kwentuhan, tuloy-tuloy din ang balik sa buffet. Plus, the restaurant ambience, ang ganda, cozy, classy at sarap tambayan. Hindi ka nagmamadali. You really get to enjoy the moment and the food. This is the kind of place where memories are made. Laughter, bonding, and plates na paulit-ulit na pupuno. So if you're looking for Anli Buffet na sulit, maraming pagpipilian, perfect for celebration, this is your sign. Food Club Fisher Mall. Save this spot for your next celebration. Tag your family and come hungry. Yung tipong gutom na gutom ka talaga. Kasi anuman yung cravings mo, masasatisfy yan dito sa Food Club Manila. Try nyo na rin dito sa Food Club Fisher Mall.